Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see how many videos a YouTube channel has. So friends, if you want to information about particular YouTube channel, how many videos in that channel. So there is very simple and easy method. Firstly, open any browser and search youtube.com, and after that you need to search that particular YouTube channel. In my case, I want to see how many videos are in this channel, Tech Pro Advice. It's a friends only. For example, it's my own channel, Tech Pro Advice. So as we can see, here is the number, how many videos in this channel. And also friends, there is simple and easy method. If you want to more information about particular channel, so you need to search this website and visit socialblad.com, and after that enter YouTube username or channel name and click on this search icon. So friends, in here you will find more information about that particular channel, like uploads, subscribers, video views, country, and channel type, and also when this channel is created, and you can see the rank of that channel. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method, you can know how many videos in particular YouTube channel. And friends, make sure if that owner of channel, he hide some information, like you can't see the number of private videos or subscriber if he hide. So hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for latest update.